crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful origami butterfly. Now before we jump into this video, if you are new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I have hundreds of tutorials, so there's really something for everyone, and without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the origami butterfly, you're going to need a square sheet of paper. First, let's take your square sheet of paper and we're going to turn it around so that the pattern side is facing down towards the table. And then you want to fold the entire thing in half. Now you want to unfold, rotate, and repeat the same thing on the other side. So we're just going to fold it in half and crease it in. Now let's unfold. And now let's fold it in half diagonally. Unfold. Repeat the same thing on the other side. And now you notice that there is a crease right over here and also one right over here. You want to take this one, top flap only, and fold it to the left, aligning it to that pre-existing crease that you made earlier. So just like that. And then push up and flatten. And now from the top, it should look like this. Now let's do the exact same thing on this side. So for this side, you can actually just push in along the pre-existing creases. So one over here, one over here, push it in towards the center, and flatten. So now let's rotate it so that the opening is facing down towards you. And there are two flaps here, one over here and one over here. We're going to take both of them and we're going to fold it diagonally and align this tip to the very top. So let's go ahead and do that. Do the same thing on the left side, so we're going to fold it diagonally, align it to the very top, just like that. So now we're going to flip it around. And then we're going to take this tip over here and we're going to fold it straight up. So we're going to fold and we're going to go a little bit past this line over here. So just like that, I would say this is maybe a centimeter. You can go as much or as little as you want. These two flaps over here are going to want to kind of go upwards. You just want to pull them back down and then flatten on the side. And then flatten this as well. And now you want to turn it around. And then you want to take this triangle that's protruding out and we're going to fold it straight down. And this will just keep everything in place. So it kind of locks it in, just like that. And then you want to fold the entire thing in half, just like that, so that you have a butterfly. Looks like it's flying. And this step is optional, but I really like to do it. I like to round off the wings a little bit. I just think it makes it look a little, I don't know, cuter. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it down and then crease it in. And then do the exact same thing on this side. So you're going to fold it down, crease it in, and your origami butterfly is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make an origami butterfly. If you would like to see more crafty fun videos like this one, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you'll be alerted when a new video comes out. I have hundreds and hundreds of tutorials. I would love for you to join me, and it would also help my channel a lot too. So thanks again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!